How to turn Canva website to an e-commerce website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website on Canva and make it as a specific e-commerce website. So in today's video, I'm going to show you two methods and they are going to be both, let's say, very efficient. So it is up to you to choose one of them. It is not going to be consisting only in two methods, but there are out there a lot of methods, but these are going to be the most simplest one in my opinion. So we're going to head over canva.com. We're going to sign in into our account. And as you can see, this is the dashboard. Now, what are we going to do is to head over website or type in websites on the specific, let's say, here search bar website. So we are going to click on here, and then we're going basically to select one of the websites that we have. In case you do not have a website, you can go ahead and create one by click on create a blank website, or choose one of the templates, and then you can go ahead and modify it. In our case, let's go ahead and select one of the websites that I have. So we are going to wait for the loading part of the website, and you're going to see it right there. So this is a published website. As you can see, we have the button of edit design. So if it is not going to be a published website, you are not going to see this edit design case. So we're going to set up, for example, a product or multiple products in this specific website. I'm going to edit the design, and we're going to have maybe a specific design added in here. So I'm going to have this, group them together, and we're going to have them like that. So I can go ahead and add a button, for example, like that. So I'm going to start from scratch in here. So let's say that we are going to have this specific brunch. So we are going to sell this brunch, and I'm going to have it just like that. So we can go ahead and add maybe a picture, and we can start by adding some elements or some text in here. So we can go ahead and add some text, or we can have here a text box. So I'm going to unlock this and delete it. So we can go ahead and add a text box, and it is going to be started in here. So get ready for a wonderful maybe morning. I am going to have this one at the end by getting our, let's say here, brunch, and the let's say here best taste that you are going like this to have in your entire journey, for example, something like that. Let's have here this as maybe a text for let's say here a slogan or something like that. Now we're going to head over the elements, and we're going to add a button. So here I prefer to add some shapes, or these, as you can see, rounded corners borders shape buttons. I would like to add them just like that. I'm going to make them just like this. And I can go ahead and add a heading, and we're going to type in buy now. For example, now just like that. And I'm going to make the text a little bit smaller so it is going to fit the button correctly. Make it a little bit bigger maybe. So like that. And we are going to have them moved on to the right place. For example, I can go ahead and add another text or another heading only, for example, for maybe $8, or we're going to have them. So I'm going to have here something added. Why it is going to get me like that? So only for 8 maybe dollars or £8, doesn't matter a lot. So we are going to have this as a specific font. I'm going to have it like this, or I can go ahead and add whatever font that I want, maybe like that. And then I'm going to change the color of it to something more, let's say, suitable for our case. I'm going to have it like that. The button is ready. Now, the most important thing in here is either to have the first method, which is I am going to show you basically having a Shopify store. Then you're going to create the product into your store. For example, you're going to add your product, then you're going to have the name of it. So we are going to have maybe this one. We're going to create the product. Then we are going to have this as a description. So, for example, like this, and we're going to have it at the middle. So this text is going to be at the middle like that. And we're going to have only this as in here. I'm going to make it bold, a paragraph, a heading 3 or heading 1, maybe like that. And I can go ahead, I think, let's see if we can change the color of it to the brown. So we're going to search for a brown color, maybe like that. This is a brownish color. I don't know. So then you are going to add your media by downloading this picture. So this is very simple. Then you are going to save it in here. So basically we are going to save the product. So you can go ahead and add the shipping, or you can go ahead and set up off the shipping because it is not going to be a physical product. So we are going to have maybe a ticket to get this specific, let's say here, bunch. Now we are going to link it so we can go ahead and view our offer. I'm going to view my offer. Normally it is going to be in here. So I'm going to get the link, put it into the Canva. As you can see here, we are going to have it as a link. Paste it like that, done, boom. This is the first method. So whenever a person is going to have to click on buy now, they are going to get to your Shopify store. So this is it. So like that. Now, the second method is going to be consisting of having a direct payment method, which is going to be maybe Stripe, maybe PayPal, or maybe something like that. You can go ahead and head over payment links and create a payment link just like this. So you're going to add maybe a new product, have the name of the product, for example, just like that. So I'm going to put here the product, get this specific description, put it in here, and like that. I'm going to have it. You can go ahead and upload the image just like this. And after that, you're going to put it as a one-off payment. The currency, you're going to have it like this. Then you're going to click on add product. So after that, you're going to click on create link. And then you're going to have the possibility to copy the link and put it instead of the specific here a Shopify link by clicking on here, edit link or add link, and then you're going to have the link put in here. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.